हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्लास 9 का चैप्टर वर्किंग ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस। सो इसमें हम क्वेश्चंस पढ़ेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज द हाईएस्ट फॉर्मल अथॉरिटी इन द स्टेट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, द प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज द वन हु एक्चुअली एक्सरसाइज ऑल गवर्नमेंटल पावर्स एंड ही इज द हेड ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट। Question number 3, who exercises more power in money matters? I repeat this question, who exercises more powers in money matters? That is Lok Sabha. These questions can come in your 1 mark type questions, okay? And if you have any doubt about these questions, you comment below and I will answer you always whenever you are, whether it is a 1 year old video and 1 day old video, I will always be answering you. And if you want any PDF on any time, you can email on my email ID that is in the description box. You can check from there and email me and write there what chapters PDF do you want, that like this you want. So you will write class 9 civics working of institutions, I want the PDF. So I'll provide you that PDF in the email. Okay, now let's back to our study. Question number 4, on August 13, 1990, the Government of India issued an office memorandum for 27% reservation for socially and educationally backward classes in civil posts or services under Government of India. This one answer. जो उन्होंने एक्शन लिया था वो लिया था सिविल पोस्ट और सर्विस अंडर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया में. Question number 5th, and institutions where disputes between citizens and the government of India are finally settled is the Supreme Court. 6th question, in India, a National Assembly of elected representatives is called Parliament. I repeat this question. In India, a National Assembly of elected representatives is called Parliament. Okay. Let's come to 7th question. An assembly of elected representatives at the state level is called legislative assembly or legislature. यानी कि जो असेंबली इलेक्ट की जाती है रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स के थ्रू और स्टेट लेवल पे, वो लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली या फिर लेजिस्लेचर कहलाती है. आप इन दोनों में से कोई एक भी लिख सकती हैं, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है आप दोनों ही लिखेंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ पर और लिखा हुआ है एंड नहीं लिखा हुआ है, ये सब आपको पता ही होगा. So let's come to question number 8. The President of India is a part of the Parliament, although she is not a member of either house. Question number 9. Our constitutions give the Rajya Sabha some special powers over, that is, the states. I repeat this question because they are having partition, so I repeat this. Our constitutions gives the Rajya Sabha some special power over the states. Now question number 10. In a democratic country like India, there are two types of executives. They are political executive and permanent executive. Question number 11. Name a government formed by an alliance of two or more political parties, usually when no single party enjoys majority support of the member in legislature. I repeat this question. Name a government formed by an alliance of two or more political parties. Remember this. Usually when no single party enjoys majority support of the member in a legislature. The answer is coalition government. वो कहलाती है coalition government. Okay. Now question number 12. What is the full form of SEBC? SEBC की full form है Social and Economically Backward Classes. SEBC की full form basically आप सबको पता ही होगा, SEB and C. So socially and economically backward classes. Very simple. Question number 13. Now, who appoints the judge of the Supreme Court? Answer. The President on the advice of the Prime Minister and in consultation with the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Question number 14. Who was the head of the Mandal Commission? Who was the head of the Mandal Commission? B.R. Mandal. मंडल कमीशन की जो हेड थे वो थे बी आर मंडल. इट्स वेरी रिलेटेड, यू डू नॉट कंफ्यूज एंड जस्ट बी आर कैन एनीवन रिमेंबर दिस. सो इट्स वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन, कैन ऑल्सो कम बिकॉज वो हेड के बारे में पूछा गया है मंडल कमीशन के. सो आप इसको याद कर लेना, मतलब एक बार पढ़ लेना, आपको फिर रिमेंबर हो जाएगा ये. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. सो इसमें यहाँ पर है क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, हु इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इन द कंट्री. यानी कि इंस्टीट्यूशन कौन सा है ऐसा मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट जो इंस्टीट्यूशन है हमारी कंट्री में, वो है द प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ इन द कंट्री. यानी कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर जो है हमारी कंट्री का सबसे मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इंस्टीट्यूशन है. ये भी बहुत ही ईजी क्वेश्चन है, बट फिर भी मैंने ये आपको इसमें डाल दिया PDF में, क्योंकि मतलब आपको ये तो होता है कि हाँ भाई प्राइम मिनिस्टर है, बट सम ऑफ द चिल्ड्रंस गेट कंफ्यूज्ड बिटवीन दीज क्वेश्चंस, सो दैट इज़ व्हाई. What is the parliament? Parliament is the supreme law making of body. Parliament क्या है? Parliament है एक supreme law making body of India. Question number 17. Name the two houses of parliament. Everyone knows the two houses are Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. This is very common and easiest answer. This anyone, the children of 7th, 6th and particularly 5th class standards, children can tell these answers. But still, I have wrote it here because it's a parliament, so someone get confused. So it's some general questions we are talking about. So I put it into this PDF. Now question number 18. Who is the Supreme Commander of the Defence Force of India? The President of the Supreme Commander of the Defence Force of India. यानी कि जो हमारे President हैं वो हैं Supreme Commander Defence Force of India के. Okay. Question number 19. What is meant by office memorandum? यानी कि ऑफिस मेमोरेंडम क्या है, हम उसके बारे में क्या जानते हैं, वो क्या कहलाता है. A communication issued by an appropriate authority starting the policy or decision of the government. Okay. Question number 20. What is the role of President of India? यानी कि प्रेसिडेंट का रोल क्या है इंडिया के, मतलब जो इंडिया के प्रेसिडेंट है उनका रोल क्या है हमारे भारत में. The president is the executive head of the state and is the highest formal authority in the country. Question number 21. What do you know about मंडल कमीशन? यानी कि हम मंडल कमीशन के बारे में क्या जानते हैं. मंडल कमीशन was asked to determine that criteria to identify the socially and educationally backward classes in India and recommend steps to be taken for their advancement. Okay, this is a very good question. It can come. Who have the power to interpret the constitution of the कंट्री. यानी कि किसके पास पावर है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जो हमारा इंडिया का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है, मतलब हमारी कंट्री का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है, उसको इंटरप्रीट करने की. सो द सुप्रीम कोर्ट एंड द हाई कोर्ट हैव पावर टू इंटरप्रीट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ द कंट्री. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. Why does the political executive have more powers than the permanent executive? यानी कि उनके पास more powers क्यों होती हैं अगर हम उनका कंपेयर करें परमानेंट एग्जीक्यूटिव से. इट इज़ बिकॉज पॉलिटिकल एग्जीक्यूटिव कंसिस्ट ऑफ द डायरेक्ट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स ऑफ द पीपल. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 24. हु वर अगेंस्ट मंडल कमीशन recommendations? Okay, now some of the people feel that this commission's recommendations were quite unfair as it would deny equality of opportunity to those who did not belong to backward communities. They would be defined jobs even though they could be more qualified. Question number 25. Do you understand by an executive? At different level of any government we find functionaries who take day-to-day decisions but do not exercise supreme power on behalf of the people. All those functionaries are collectively known as the executive. Question number 26. What do you mean by judiciary? All the courts at different level in a country put together are called judiciary. I repeat this question. This question is important and you studied this in class 7th also and in class 8th also. All the courts at different level in a country put together are called the judiciary. What do you understand by public interest litigation? What do you understand by public interest litigations? Answer. Anyone can approach the courts if public interest is hurt by the action of government. This is called public interest litigation. यानी कि anyone can approach the courts if public interest is hurt by the action of government. It's a very simple answer, and it can also come because it's a new question of class 9, so you have not studied in before your classes. So thank you so much for watching, children. If you like this video, please like, do share with your friends, classmates, tuition mates, and you can share if you are thinking that some mistakes can occur in this video, so you can also comment me below. And as I told, if you have any doubt, any type of any doubt, you can comment me. I will always be answering you. And if you want any PDF now till I have teached you, you can mail me on my mail ID, then I'll provide you that, and my mail ID is in the description box. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. एंड हाँ, अगर आपको ऐसी पढ़ाई अच्छी लगती है मेरे चैनल पर, तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो, फिर हम बार बार मिलते रहेंगे. बाय बाय.